5 ways to change regret into positive parenting skills. Procreating is a big step in life, one that people come to via many different avenues. However, all parents have one thing in common: regret. Most parents probably have some regrets about how they raised or acted toward their children. That's just part of being a parent. There are common regrets, though, that you can take action on now, so you don't have the regret or negative consequences later to deal with. 1. Make time. When you become a parent, you are going to be busy, busier than you were before. But children need time and effort, not only when they are newborns, but when they are toddlers, elementary age, and even in high school. Set aside time to just be with your kid. This can include activities like watching a movie or even just going on a walk. 2. Comparison is the thief of joy. Stop comparing your child and the life you are giving them to others. What if Susan's kid is walking before your kid, or Karen's had a picture-perfect first birthday cake smash? None of this matters now, and it definitely will not matter in 18 years when applying for college. Right now, enjoy your child and the significant life events that come with watching your baby grow. 3. Lower your voice. If you're a yeller by nature, start by making active attempts at lowering your voice and the amount of yelling you do. Yelling not only has adverse long-term effects on a child's psyche, but you might end up with a child that screams back at you. Try to remain calm, keep your voice even, and be the steady voice of reason in your child's life. 4. Don't be a critic. Kids are going to be criticized a lot in life. Unless you are offering constructive criticism and feedback to your child, keep your snippy comments or snide remarks to yourself. This isn't just for little kids, but also for your grown children that are most likely doing their best to live happy and fulfilling lives. 5. Don't force your beliefs. All you can really do is raise your child to be a lovely human being. The beliefs and values that you have cannot be forced on any other individuals. This includes your children. Offer guidance, suggestions, and also allow your child to explore beliefs and values that are important to them. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. You are going to have parenting regrets, but making changes now can allow you to have an easier time, parent teens and adults later, and give you fewer regrets.